Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to solve exercise of unit number 11. The name of the unit is Let's Be Helpful. A dictionary is a book which lists the words of a language in alphabetical order and gives their meanings. It also provides pronunciation and the number of syllables of words. कि एक लुग़त या डिक्शनरी एक ऐसी किताब है जिसकी एक ज़ुबान के अल्फाज की हरूफ तहजी की तरतीब में फ़हरिस्त होती है और इनके मानी होते हैं और इसके साथ साथ इसमें तलफ़ुज़ भी मुहैया किए जाते हैं और अल्फाज के अरकान कलमा की तादाद होती है। यहाँ पे look and read the dictionary page of understand how words are divided into syllables. किस तरह से words syllables में divide किए गए हैं. Find the given words in a dictionary and write their meanings along with their number of syllables. Then use these words into sentences of your own in your notebook. Investment, measure, recommend and provide. First of all, words. First word is investment. Meaning is funding and syllable is investment. 3 syllables. Next word is measure. Meaning calculate. Measure. 2 syllables. Recommend. Meaning suggest. Recommend. 3 syllables. Provide. Give. Provide. 2 syllables. Words. Investment. Sentence. The factory fell after an investment of 3 months. Measure. We measured the depth of the river. Recommend. Can you recommend a good dictionary? Provide. I shall provide food to the needy people. Learn to speak, read and practice the given dialogue. Practice the given dialogue and complete the rest of your own. Adam, can you tell me the way to the library? Saad, I am also going there. Just follow me. Adam, thanks. Thank you. I have to take a book. Saad, so finally this is the library. Adam, okay. Thank you for everything. Answer these questions. Why was Sarah not happy? She was not having money to buy a new dress for funfair because his father's job was lost. What is a funfair? A funfair is an event in the school for enjoyment. Why should we always help others? We should always help others to create love and brotherhood, as through it we can get happiness and give happiness to others. Read the given paragraph and write its main idea in your notebook. Main idea: money is important to fulfill dreams. It is earned by hard working, so it is essential to make proper spending decisions and do not waste money on extra things. Highlight important information in the paragraph given above and summarize it into our 3 sentences. Again वही main idea हम यहाँ पे write करेंगे. Fill in the blanks correctly. Their school was arranging a fun fair. Sarah's father could not buy her a new dress. They went with Mahin's mother to the market. Sharing brings happiness. We should take care of each other. Read and look for information about advantages and disadvantages of using the internet. First of all, advantages of internet: it is powerful search engine. You can easily get information on almost every topic. The internet provides the facility of emails. Latest worldwide news are available on internet. Students can take help in studies. Disadvantages of internet: students waste their time on it. There are cyber crimes on the internet. There is a lot of wrong information on it. Games on internet made children inactive. People do not give time to their family. Read the given words with their meanings and use them in your own sentences to understand the context. Participation: taking part in an activity or event. Shirkat: speechless, not able to speak out of emotions. Byawaz: collect, to bring things together. Jama karna. Gratitude, being grateful. Shukrguzari, care, look after. Nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, prepositions, and are called parts of speech. Noun: school, teacher, Sara. Verb: go, gather, notice. Pronoun: we, she, I. Adjective: new, beautiful, colorful. Preposition: in, to, on. Adverb: sadly, next, quiet. Fill in the missing letters to complete the words and learn their spelling. Stock, stock. Information, information. Steal, steel. Expert, expert. Amount, amount. Read the given sentences to understand the question word. Why, when did, how often, how much, how many. Choose the correct words for the each questions. Dash, do you visit your grandparents? How often? Dash, do we need money? Why? Do you go to school? When? Students are there in your classroom. How many? Does this dress cost? How much? Prepositions of movement and direction. Read the given sentences and notice the use of prepositions of movement and directions. Make sentences using the given prepositions across to words, on to, into. Across. Ali pointed at a car across the street. Towards, the dog ran towards a man. Onto, the book fell onto the floor. Into, he ran into the room. Simple present tense. Read the given sentences to understand the sentence structure of the simple present tense. कि सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस जो है वो उसको हम किस तरह से लिखते हैं, ये उसका स्ट्रक्चर है. अफर्मेटिव में स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा, नेगेटिव में क्या होगा और इंट्रोगेटिव में क्या होगा. द प्रेजेंट टेंस इंडिकेट्स एक्शंस विच हैपन इन द प्रेजेंट. कि जो प्रेजेंट टेंस होता है या फ़िलहाल जो होता है वो इंडिकेट करता है या इशारा करता है, ज़ाहिर करता है उन एक्शंस या कामों के बारे में जो कि होते हैं हाल में. The simple present tense is used to express regular or habitual actions and facts that doesn't change with time. और क्या होता है कि सादा फ़िलहाल जो होता है ये बाकायदा या आदि कामों को ज़ाहिर करने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है जो हक़ाइक़ भी वक्त के साथ तब्दील नहीं होते. इन्हें ज़ाहिर करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. इसकी यहाँ पे कुछ एग्जांपल्स हैं. Change the given sentences into negative and interrogative sentences and write them in your notebook. कि जो sentences दिए हुए हैं इनको आपने नेगेटिव भी बनाना है और इंट्रोगेटिव भी बनाना है. जैसे सबसे पहले है माई मदर वाश क्लॉथ्स. वाश क्लॉथ. माई मदर डज नॉट वाश क्लॉथ्स. डज माई मदर वाश क्लॉथ्स. द बर्ड्स फ्लाई इन द एयर. The birds do not fly in the air. Do the birds fly in the air? He likes swimming. He does not like swimming. Does he like swimming? Saad watches TV every day. Saad does not watch TV every day. Does Saad watch TV every day? A hyphen is used to join two or more words together. कि हाइफन साइन जो है ये इस्तेमाल होता है दो या दो से ज़्यादा अल्फाज को आपस में जोड़ने के लिए. इट इज़ यूजली यूज्ड विद नंबर्स एंड फ्रैक्शंस. और ये आम तौर पर नंबर्स या फिर फ्रैक्शंस में हम इसको इस्तेमाल करते हैं, कसरे या फिर नंबर्स में. अब यहाँ पे जैसे फ्रैक्शन में देखें 1/4 और नंबर में देखें 45. फ्रैक्शन में देखें 36th 3/6 और नंबर में देखें 82. Write 5 words using hyphens with numbers and fraction in your notebook. Fraction 1/8, 5/8, 2/3, 3/4, 3/11. नंबर में देखें 24, 51, 46, 69, 35. Look at the mind map and write about some qualities of a good person. You can add more qualities to the mind map. A good person is brave, speaks the truth, loyal to others, hardworking, determined, honest. Use the information given above to write a dialogue about qualities of a good person in your notebook. Asad, Assalamu alaikum. Where are you going? Umar, Walaikum Assalam. I am going to meet Mr. Ali. He is back to town. Asad, who is he? Umar, he is a policeman and a very good person. Asad, how do you know he is a good person? Umar, it is because he always speaks the truth, loyal to others. Asad, oh really? Umar, yes, he is my father's friend and he often comes to my home. You know, he is very honest, hardworking and determined to his work. Asad, wow, I also want to meet him. Can I come with you? Umar, yes, of course. Creative writing, write some ways to save your money and how you can use it. First of all, make a money spending plan. Do not buy a lot of clothes. Buy only that eatable which are necessary for your health. Do not waste your money for buying extra things. Bring your lunch from home. Use electricity items to the minimum. Use library instead of purchasing too many books.